Hello friends, welcome to my channel Lemon Coders. This is OnePlus Student Ambassador Program, and OnePlus is accepting applications for the OnePlus Student Ambassador Program 21. What are the benefits of it, and why should you apply for it, and what are the eligibility criteria to apply? I will discuss. Before that, I would recommend you to subscribe my channel and like this video because I bring job notifications, and you should not miss any of these job notification. So please, whenever I will upload any video, you will be notified. So please do subscribe my channel and like this video. And if you want to apply in Accenture is hiring for innovation challenge, Cadency is hiring for interns, Disho Educare program, and Zoho software developer freshers hiring, and Hotstar, Hexaware, AstraZeneca, Netcode backend developers. These are the jobs. I have made videos on this. If you want to apply for these companies, you can go to my channel Lemon Coders and apply to these companies. And I will provide the link in the description of these videos as well. And if you want to apply in OnePlus.in Student Ambassador Program, I will give the apply link on the description of this video. You please check that. This OnePlus Student Ambassador Program is a Campus Connect program that aims to form a fraternity of individuals who want to make a difference in the world through technology and have fun while doing it. The program facilitates and nurtures the skills to contribute to your career growth. We want to empower, strengthen, and groom select students across India who will serve as OnePlus community specialists, brand evangelists, and experts in their respective institutions. What's in it for you? There are campus marketing experience, deploy marketing campaigns, and assist in planning, execution, and coordination process. Be a part of the exclusive OnePlus team. Get front row seats to the inner workings of the core OnePlus team and see where the magic happens. Exciting rewards. Get monthly stipend OnePlus device and members only OnePlus merchandise. All round learning experience. Get real time and real life experience across the fields of social media marketing, branding, and tech from the best in the industry. You should join if you are curious about making a positive impact through innovative technology, excited to join the ranks of one of the most sought after fraternities, obsessed with that OnePlus life. What you will do? Content creators create contents which connects a student community, understand and study social media to identify and execute innovative trends, be involved in creative collaboration for brand campaigns. Campuspreneurs design and execute hyper-local campus marketing campaigns across your network, innovate and come up with ideas to create a unique experience for the OnePlus student community, identify and foster long-term student associations with OnePlus. Tech innovators bring forward ways to innovate and take consumer technology to the next level, represent the voice of the student tech community, initiate research on tech talent across student groups. You can read about the frequently asked question. What is the OnePlus Student Ambassador Program about? OnePlus Student Ambassador Program is a campus connect program that aims to activate network of like-minded students across India. It's a 9-month long program starting in August. The program offered plenty of opportunities to learn, grow, and prosper in respective fields. Who can apply to this program? The candidate should be have a minimum 18 years of age, strong written and verbal communication skills in English, graduate and postgraduate students currently pursuing their degree in India. How do I apply and what happens after I apply? You can apply directly through your website using the apply button on this page. Once you apply, you will hear from us if you are selected. Can students from any university apply? Yes, students from all universities in India are welcome to apply. How long is the student ambassador program? What is the time commitment? The current phase of the program is for a duration of 9 months. What are the responsibilities of student ambassador? As a student ambassador for OnePlus, you are required to do the following: ideate and execute innovative campaigns, campus campaigns, plans, work on live marketing projects for the brand, strategize and drive word of mouth in campus activities. Will OnePlus support ambassadors in campaigns and activities they execute? Yes, OnePlus will provide adequate resources and guidance for successful execution of planned marketing activities. Are there any incentive for being a student ambassador? Yes, this is an opportunity to develop strategic communication leadership skills and get rewarded for it. Apart from learnings that will benefit your career, you will also get incentives like a monthly stipend and members only merchandise. Who can I contact? If you have any questions regarding the student ambassador program, you can contact us at campus@oneplus.com. Please mention your inquiry in the subject line at the time of mailing us. So you should apply for OnePlus Student Ambassador program if you are interested. You will get some stipend and an experience on marketing skills on your campus. Oh, and if you want to apply for more companies like Accenture, Cadence, DShaw, Microsoft, Zoho, IBM, Hotstar, Hexaware, AstraZeneca, Netcode backend developer, Cognizant, Tata Communication, PwC, I have made videos on them. You can check out my channel Lemon Coders and apply to them before it gets expired. And you should subscribe my channel and like this video to get more notification about new job notifications. And you will find the link of this OnePlus Student Ambassador program in the description of this video, and other link of the videos where you can apply for a job. Thank you for watching. Do subscribe my channel and like this video.